In this video, we are going to explain how to easily tell if your down comforter needs to be replaced. Now, down comforters do wear out. With a good down comforter, you should expect somewhere between 10 and 15 years worth of life. But there are some factors that can add or accelerate the wear of your comforter. If a person is a restless sleeper, they toss and turn at night, as opposed to a person that gets into bed, doesn't move at all, and just wakes up in the morning on their way. Another thing that can accelerate the wear of a down comforter is if you're laying on top of it. Now, down comforter will start showing signs of wear in the compartments directly above your shoulder, where the down comforter is laying over the top of your shoulder. And this is due to a person tossing and turning at night. And what happens is that friction, that is created between the down clusters as you toss and turn, breaks those delicate down clusters into dust. Now, this dust migrates out of the shell of the comforter and the duvet cover and ends up accumulating on your floors or your bedroom furniture. Now, the way to easily tell if yours needs replacement is take it out of the duvet cover and hold it up to a room light, like we're doing here, or a window. And you will immediately see those areas, again, where the shoulder, or around the shoulder area, the light will transmit, right through the cotton shell itself. And you'll be able to see how much down is actually left in those compartments. We've seen down comforters that are absolutely void of down in those areas, so the person is essentially sleeping with just 2 layers of cotton. Now, we've provided a link below that identifies what we think are the things that you should be looking for when purchasing your next down comforter. Hey, thanks for watching this video, and as always, if you have any bedding related questions, give us a call, send us an email. We're happy to assist. And again, thank you.